Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn about CSS syntax and CSS selectors. If you are new or you want to brush up your skills, you are in right place. So without further ado, let's get into it. Firstly, we have to know what CSS syntax is. CSS syntax is how to write CSS in CSS file, or what is the way to write CSS. This is actually CSS, but in every CSS rule there is three main parts like selector, property, and value. Means we have to select element first, then we have to apply property or CSS property, and also the property has its value. Suppose we have selectors like h1 heading 1, then we want to apply color to it, then color width is the property and value is the below its value. Means we applied blue color to the heading 1. Likewise, suppose we have applied font, we want to apply the font size, we want to increase the font size or decrease the font size, we have to use font size property and value whatever you want. Well, I have example here 12 pixels. This is the way how we write CSS in CSS file, and we can call it CSS syntax also. So here is a example how to write CSS actually. Suppose we have a h1, then curly braces start, and then the CSS properties and values, then close the curly brace. And another thing we will learn about CSS, some very basic selectors like 2, 3. There are many selectors apart from that, so we'll do that selectors after in upcoming videos. In today's video I will show you only 3 main selectors by which we can select HTML elements. Suppose element selector and class selector, element selector, class selector, and also ID selector. Suppose let's go to the code editor. We'll do some we'll do some examples where we understand in better way. So firstly, I have already a folder with the name of CSS. I will open this folder, then I am opening this folder in my code editor also. Suppose I have a cursor editor here. Here I will say index.html. Sure. Here basic HTML code. I will write here CSS syntax and selectors. Here I am defining h1, heading 1. Sure. Firstly, we'll see we have to select the HTML element. I have only h1. I am writing h1. Firstly, I have to open in head tag. I have to open style tag first. Sure. Then I can, now the browser knows I have to write style here. Suppose I will say h1 because I have a h1 in body. Here I say color blue example. This is our selector. This is the h1 and this is a CSS property and its value is below. So let's run this file using live server. Here you can see the output. Okay, I will apply another property of it, font size, suppose 100 pixel. You can see the output also. Font size increase it to 100 pixel. Suppose I want to decrease the font size, I will show the 12 pixel. See the output. This is 12 pixel. Okay, this is our selector, and this is our property, and this is also property. These two are values. Now if we do with this thing with class selector, suppose I have to define class here. You can use any name for the class, or I used my class, but here I have to, in CSS we have to define class with dot, then the class name which is present in here. So if I will change the color of it, I suppose I will color the color to red. You can see output, and I will change the font size also 120 pixel, 112 pixel. You can see. If I want to use I want to style using ID, then I will copy this one, and here I will say ID. I can give any name. You are free to use whatever name you want here. You want to hear. Suppose I want to style this one, but remember I have to use hash before this, then the ID name. Suppose I will here color green. Sure. This is we can do with class. This is can do with ID, and I will increase font size also. Suppose 50 pixel. See the difference, and increase the font. So suppose if we want to the difference between them, ID we use for uniqueness, and class can same class can be used multiple times, but ID we use only one time. Only can is in one page. When the single name ID should be the unique. ID should be unique. So in JavaScript, then we can use it also for uniqueness. Class we use whatever you want to, wherever you want to same style, you can use class. But ID we basically mostly use it for the JavaScript, but in styling also we can use. I hope you understand today's topic. So if you found this video helpful for you, please thumbs up, give me the thumbs up to this video, and if you have any queries, you can leave a comment in comment section. And if you do not subscribe yet, please do subscribe to support me. Happy coding. Bye bye.